Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, we bring another delicacy. Make you know that make una know the see say it too small, oh, but na blood supplement be this. So they say make I dey take this thing so that I go fresh this Christmas. So I say make I this thing is ogo leaf and okporoko as in vegetable with stockfish, fresh vegetable. You can see that it's still alive, it's still fresh. They didn't cook it much, just half done. So they say I should be taking it so that I will look fresh this Christmas. So that those yuri yuri waiting for outside there, when they see me, they go say, yeah, this guy is still there alive. So I say make I take a more. You understand? Now this thing now is very, very sweet. It's very, very sweet. Very, very, my good God. If you taste this thing, you will testify. You will testify. Hey, this vegetable.
You don't laugh finish now. Comment, share. One love.